Good morning from a sunny Yorkshire. Had a couple of showers during the night, but everything's looking grand in the garden. I went to Halfords yesterday to get some cleaner for the seats. The front seats are getting a bit grubby, in fact very grubby. 37,000 miles now, nearly a year old, and they've had some harsh treatment, so I went and got some Autoglim seat cleaner, which you just spray it on and wipe it off. No big issues. Fantastic, all done. Seats are looking brilliant. I'll show you them first. And you will see a genuine Defender centre cubby box, because this vehicle came without anything because I forgot to tick the box, and I've been struggling for something, and I just said to Richard at RCM one day, I wonder if the old shape Defender cubby box fits, and it does. So anyway, I'm just giving it a complete wipe over and clean and everything, because I go to the Balkans on Wednesday. So that leads me to the next product I bought from Halfords, AdBlue. I don't know if you're like me, but I cannot stand the stuff. It's horrible. So when the guy said we got 3 for £24, and I didn't really take any notice. They're in a box. Just bought them and walked out. Opened them up this morning, and this is actually, it might have a drop in it left. What an idea! What an excellent, perfect idea for AdBlue. Instead of them flipping 5-litre cans that you can't put anywhere in the vehicle and they're hard to dispose of these days, plastic bags. And that filler spills nothing. The filler that on those cans leaks all over the place at the neck because it's cheap plastic. These are nothing short of brilliant. And I can pack this in the car for the trip and have a spare one with me. And I know that it's not getting in the way, it'll pack well. What a brilliant idea. So well happy with that. It's going to RCM tomorrow for service, another one. It has services not because it needs them, but because I prefer to protect the engine, and at least every 10,000 miles it has an oil change. So the wheel caps are off because it was at Peter Wynn Tyres yesterday having the tyres sorted. There's no point putting them back on. The centre wheel caps on these things break, very, very fragile. Take the shower off, and the thing is, going to the Balkans, it's a hotel trip, and you do not need all the typical overlanding gear. Took the gin and tonic box off. Those marks will come off the glass, but you can see where it was. It was absolutely rammed with sand behind there, and this is where the AdBlue goes on the Defender. See, you can see I spilt a bit, but not too bad. The back tyres are 17,000 miles old now. They've worn 2 mil. Happy with that. This was on the driver's front, has ended up on in the spare now. Not driver's front, passenger front. So the back wipes out nicely, but the rubber, there will be something out there that'll rejuvenate it, but it don't come up very well. But one of the problems is, because this is a car converted to a commercial, there's lots of nooks and crannies that you wouldn't have in a commercial really. And this is wasted space, because if you need to get to anything, you have to hike everything out the back. The other thing, that if this fills up with muck, it doesn't like shutting. So the next thing to do is I'm going to get the new Terra Firma boxes out and see what I can get in the boxes that I can leave in the box and strap them down in the back, and I don't have to think about it. I need a hand to lift the awning off, but the awning will be coming off tomorrow as well. So that's what we're doing. We're getting ready for the Balkans. For those who don't know, there is a new magazine coming out shortly, run by Neil Waterson, XLRO editor, and it'll be a quarterly magazine, so you've got that to look forward to. Right, back on it. Bye.